Hello, wonderful students! Today, we are going on an exciting adventure to talk about my day and my feelings. Get ready to learn 40 super short and easy English sentences about everything we do from morning till night and how we feel. Let's jump right in and start speaking English. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Wash your face. Let's eat breakfast. Let's eat breakfast. I like eggs. I like eggs. Drink your milk. Drink your milk. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Where is my bag? Where is my bag? Ready for school. Ready for school. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. What time is it? What time is it? It is playtime now. It is playtime now. Share your toys. Share your toys. Be nice to friends. Be nice to friends. Clean up time. Clean up time. Read a book. Read a book. Tell me a story. Tell me a story. I am happy today. I am happy today. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Say thank you. Say thank you. Sorry, my mistake. Sorry, my mistake. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Let's sing a song. Let's sing a song. Time for lunch. Time for lunch. Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Take a nap. Take a nap. Do you want to play? Do you want to play? We are home now. We are home now. Good night, sleep tight. Good night, sleep tight. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams.